Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to create a handwriting effect for text in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on the program monitor to type your text. Then head over to the Essential Graphics tab and make any adjustments that you want to it. Once you're done with the changes, extend the text layer's duration to 5 seconds. Go to your project panel and create a transparent video layer. Then place it above your text layer on the timeline, ensuring the duration matches it exactly. Under Effects, search for Write On and add it to our transparent video layer. Now go to Effect Controls, click on Write, change the color to red, then change the brush size so it's slightly larger than the text. When writing over, modify the stroke length to 5 seconds and the brush spacing to 0.001. Ensure the playhead is at the start of the transparent layer, then click the stopwatch icon beside the brush position. Click on your text, then head to your screen and click and drag the red dot to your starting point. Move ahead 1 frame by hitting the right arrow key, then click and drag the red dot to the next position in your trace. Continue doing this until you've traced your entire word on the screen. Now, go to Effects, find the Track Matte key, and drag it onto your text layer. Go to Effect Controls and change Matte to whatever video layer you have for transparent video. Preview the handwriting effect by pressing the spacebar. You'll see the text be written naturally. Now, you can create a handwriting text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful.